Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr 2022. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is also enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.